Okay, so here's another thing you can do. If you're scheduling an interview or if you're changing an interview from a resume to a telephone, which I just did here, I put it into telephone interview status. I put the day and time of the actual appointment, what time this interview is going on. Over here on the left-hand side, if you go down to scheduling, you can add a prep and debrief schedule for that. So, he's interviewed today at 3 o'clock, so I will put in a prep for today at 9 a.m. I don't think there's really anything we have. I don't think you need to copy it to other users, but I guess you could notify somebody else if you wanted to of this alarm. I click here, add to alarms, click save, and then I'm going to add a debrief for, let's just say, 4:30 today. Add to alarms, save. Now when I save this activity, it should throw 2 alarms in there, one for 9 a.m. this morning and one for 4:30 afternoon. One will say prep, one will say debrief, and then you don't have to really worry about it. Additionally, if you were going to put a permanent placement in, let's go over here. You have to go into this work order. Click on a person. You're going to go down to add permanent placement. Under scheduling, I'm going to have to play around with this a little bit, but I know for a fact that we can schedule these follow-ups with alarms for your D calls. So from their start date, I imagine this is 7 days, what time of day that actual alarm is going to be, and you can kind of schedule it out. Your D1, well, not D1, but it looks like your D2, your D3, your D4, and your D5 relatively easily, all from the perm placement screen when you're setting up your perm placement. Thank you.